My name is Raymond Akpan. I'm from Nigeria. I am an international student studying cybersecurity at the University of Sunderland. I chose Sunderland because Sunderland is located in a coastal city with beautiful beaches, historical sites, modern city center, and an open museum for students. There are a lot of marine activities in Sunderland. The Roca Beach is just a short walk from one of the main campus, that is St. Peter's campus. Sunderland is just 30 minutes away from Newcastle, that is if you are using metro, and it's just very close to Durham and Gateshead. There are free campus bus services linking the Satomkowi campus, St. Peter's campus, and the different hall of residence within the city. According to a survey in 2018, Sunderland was the second most affordable city in the UK and was ranked as the 7th safest place to live in. And I can confirm that is extremely true. The university does not support any form of hate crime, racism on or off the campus. Of all the universities I look out for in Northeast England that offer cybersecurity, Sunderland University was the most affordable. Aside from that, they still gave me a £1,000 scholarship in my program, so there was no other place to compare that. This was just the best option for me. Another good thing was that they also allowed undergraduate degree from engineering background to apply for this course, that is cybersecurity. Unlike other universities, because I finished from an engineering background back in Nigeria, I did materials and metallurgical engineering. So what happened is that other universities actually require a degree in computer science or related computer program before you can apply for a master's in cybersecurity. But Sunderland really accepted me from an engineering background, so that was equally a very good reason why I chose Sunderland. To me, Sunderland is known for internationally excellent research in computer science, and the university is accredited with Cisco Academy. That actually means they have a lab packed with Cisco networking equipment, which include routers, switches, terminals, and specialist equipment. The lab is fully functional with all these equipment. The application process for me was quite simple because I've had tons and tons and tons of admission in the UK. When applying for Sunderland, it was easy because I've already understand the process. I've had all my papers complete, my transcript was ready, my certificate and everything. In 2018, I had an admission here in Sunderland University that was engineering management, but I couldn't make it that year because of some financial constraint. So I already know what the process will look like. So in 2019, I had to apply again, but then I've started working with a networking company in Nigeria. So I was really focused on ICT and technology, and I now had to switch from engineering management to cybersecurity. I think the major challenge was just to write a personal statement on cybersecurity. Apart from that, every other thing was just the same process. Doing a master's in cybersecurity, you will understand different topics which include delivery and creation of cybersecurity solutions for information systems and network security. You will understand a lot of technologies and topics behind our secure system. You also learn how to select the right tools and techniques to manage risks, threats, vulnerabilities, and potential attacks. You will also be exposed to some of the skills that you will need in the case of a cyber breach, acting as a first responder, the immediate steps and action that you can take. You will gain technical knowledge and skills to respond to breaches, to inform the organization, to inform the people, the customers, the client that have been affected, and to implement proactive measures to potentially prevent further occurrence. Before applying for cybersecurity, one should have a basic knowledge of computer. You have to be very skilled in computer. Having a degree in computer science or a related computer course will be an added advantage. But if you don't have, like myself, and like I've said, that I finished from an engineering, what I would suggest is to go for a networking course. That is a Cisco Certified Network Associate. That course will give you an advantage. There are a whole lot of centers and computer training schools. You can do this. I did mine at Aptech Computers. It was a really good eye-opening for me into computer networking and computer security. So I recommend CCNA for anybody that did not finish in computer science or a related program. Another thing I would suggest is to learn some basics Linux programming language, because certainly you will come across them in some of your modules. My future plans and goals is to push for a career in computer science and journalism. Its application involves the use of artificial intelligence, data science, and a programming language to analyze social media data for journalists. It's a project I'm currently working on as my final module here at the university, and I would really love to give it a push after my studies. Yes, and yes, I would strongly recommend Sunderland University to anybody that wants to come. Thank you.